Welcome students. Today our topic is electrostatic potential energy and electrostatic potential. Already we know that what is meant by potential. A unit positive charge work done moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point against the electric force. So already we study in our first lesson. Now electrostatic potential energy. It's defined as a charge Q at an electric field E brought from a point R against the repulsive force between Q and Q dash. The work must be done to overcome this repulsion. This work done is stored as a potential energy. So consider a charge Q kept the electric field E shown in figure. So here a positive charge Q separated a distance R against the force Q dash a test charge due to the point P. The force is a repulsive force. This work done is equal to potential energy. The expression is the test charge Q dash is brought from Q to P with constant velocity, means that external force, that is force is external. The test charge Q dash from Q to P must be equal to opposite charge Coulomb force. R இருந்து Pக்கு சார்ஜ் மூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தேவைப்படக்கூடிய ஃபோர்ஸை எக்ஸ்டர்னல் ஃபோர்ஸ் அப்படின்னும், அதே இது Q டேஷ் ஆர்லேருந்து Pக்கு மூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தேவைப்படக்கூடிய ஃபோர்ஸை கூலும் ஃபோர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஸோ எஃப் எக்ஸ்டர்னல் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு மைனஸ் எஃப் கூலும் ஃபோர்ஸ். The negative sign indicate the repulsive force. Therefore, work done is equal to W is equal to integration of P to R F vector dot dr vector. Here F external is equal to minus F Coulomb. Therefore, substitute this value. Coulomb force is conservative. Work done is independent of the path and it depends only initial to final to the test charge. Here UP minus UR is equal to work done, அதாவது change in potential energy, that is difference in potential energy del U. Therefore del U is equal to integration P to R F vector dot dr vector. Since already we know that F vector is equal to, that is F external vector is equal to minus F Coulomb. F Coulomb is equal to Q dash E. So substitute this value in above equation we get. Del U is equal to integration P to R minus Q dash E vector dot dr vector. It's equal to Q dash is a constant term, so Q dash integral P to R minus E vector dot dr vector. The potential energy difference per unit charge is given by del U divided by Q dash. So del U is equal to Q dash integration P to R E vector dot dr vector divided by Q dash. So the upper value of Q dash and lower value of Q dash will be cancel each other. Balance minus integration B to R E vector dot dr vector. The above equation is independent of Q dash. Therefore, the quantity del Q U divided by Q dash is equal to minus integration P to R E vector dot dr vector is called electric potential difference between P2R. It's denoted by Vp minus Vr is equal to del V. Therefore, the electric potential difference is defined as work done by an external force to bring unit positive charge from R to P. Therefore, Vp minus Vr is equal to del V is equal to integration P2R minus E vector dot dr vector. The value of potential at one point is not meaningful. So the point R is taken at infinity and the potential is considered as 0. That is V infinity is equal to 0. Therefore, the electric potential at a point P is equal to work done by an external force to bring a unit positive charge with a constant velocity from infinity to that point in the region of external electric field. So Vp, electrostatic potential, is equal to minus integration P to infinity E vector dot dr vector. Electric potential at a point depends only on electric field and unit positive charge brought from infinity to that point the constant velocity, because external energy should not important and any kinetic energy to the discharge.